What up, home slices? I put out a video the other day. It was a horrific video on how to get Rocket League for PS4 and Xbox One. I did not realize that, 2 weeks later, Psyonix is going to announce that they're actually going to put a very similar thing onto the Rocket League platform. I'm so fucking excited about this. But let's go through this thing a little bit. We heard requests for new ways to train and elevate your Rocket League, and we've also seen the fantastic work done by PC modders with tools like Rocket League Trainer. If you don't know, I fucking love Rocket League Trainer. So we set out to build a feature that lets all of our players build and share their own training sequences within the community. Like, what? That's fucking awesome. When you create your own custom training sequence, you'll be asked to specify a few things up front: a name of your creation, which map you wanted to train in, what map you want to train in. That's awesome. I need to practice in Neo Tokyo, like, all the fucking time. I think everyone sucks at Neo Tokyo, to be honest. What type of training sequence is striker or goalie? So you get to specify how difficult it's going to be: rookie, pro, all-star. What tags best describe your training sequence? Dribbling, wall shots. That's a big thing that was missing from the original training, is wall shots. You could not actually practice wall shots, but now you can. Once all that's settled, you can get down to editing your sequence in game. What you'll see first is your shot list that contains every shot you've set up as part of your new sequence. From here, you could pick a shot to edit, add new shots, delete ones you don't want to keep. Editing a specific shot is the most important aspect of this new feature. You can place the car and the ball wherever you want on the field. You can specify the direction and speed of the ball with a full trajectory preview that helps you plan things out. The trajectory preview, that Rocket League Trainer does not have that, and that's awesome. That right there, you see that? That's sweet. That would be so helpful. I really hope they get this out soon, because I'm so excited. I love Rocket League Trainer, and it's great. And you could say a lot of people use it. Overzero uses it. Gibbs uses it. A lot of people use Rocket League Trainer. It's amazing. It looks like they can add extra functionality to it. It's fucking exciting. Each shot can be tested in real time, modified, and tested again to make it quick and easy to develop your new training sequence. Real time. Share it. Now we get into interesting stuff. So somebody can make, pretty much community makes like packs, and they're like, hey, download this pack, and you can put it and import it into your Rocket League Trainer, and then all of a sudden you have all these things to train, and then you can share them. Let's see what they got. When you're ready to share your creation with the world, you can upload it from your list of created modes in the custom training menu. This will publish your sequence to our database and generate a unique alphanumeric code you could share online. Players can search by code on the Browse tab to find your sequence and play it for themselves. You can continue to edit your creations and upload new versions to the database. Players who have marked your sequence as a favorite will see that there's a new version available and can choose to update to your new and improved versions whenever they want. When somebody downloads my playlist and I change it, it updates over whoever has it downloaded. It gets updated, or you can update it. That's awesome. I like that a lot. For the initial version, sharing is not available cross-platform, but we are looking with our console partners to expand custom training share across all platforms as soon as we can. If you could do it cross-platform, that would be awesome. See the top 50 most downloaded sequences on your platform. That's pretty sweet. And all this, they're pretty much taking it from a lot of the stuff from the mod, which is great because it's such a fucking awesome thing. Favorite, so you could favorite them. It looks like it's important to note that we store a copy of all your favorite modes locally. Future updates. All right, what else? We have a lot of plans to keep improving the custom training feature. This is just the start. Here are a few things we're talking about for the future updates. Improved browsing experience, adding search and filtering tools to make it easier to find new sequences in-game, adding new sorting methods to show off new or trending sequences and not just the most downloaded ones, adding user ratings and the way to browse top-rated sequences. Okay, the user ratings would be nice. Randomized shot lists, more types than just striker and goalie. There's definitely more than those two things. More options like starting the car with velocity. That would be really sweet. Do they have that in Rocket League Trainer? I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. This would allow console players to get on a more even playing field with PC players. PC players get to use Rocket League Trainer, and Rocket League Trainer has allowed us to practice and improve faster because of the smaller feedback loop. Like there's some situations that you can create in Rocket League Trainer that you can't get in the normal in-game training. And you know, the only way for you console players to get those things to happen is you have to play a game. And if that situation doesn't arise in, let's say, 5 games, that's how long it would take you to learn that skill. With Rocket League Trainer, you can acquire that skill within an hour practicing it, and you could perfect it. You can perfect a lot of skills like wall shots, wall rolls, all these. Can't even, it's too much. All right, peace out, guys. I'm very excited about this. To customize your training. Oh, I've been waiting for it for so long. I'm going to keep updated. When this thing comes out, I'm going to test it. I'm going to give it a shot. This thing, fucking hyped about. Fucking hyped. Fucking hyped. All right, peace out, bros.